Hey, this is Ish, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my travels with you. Let me show you around my room during my stay at Hotel Xcaret. See, my channel is focused on travel, experiences, and fun. Hotel Xcaret in Playa del Carmen, Mexico is all three of those things. Xcaret is all fun inclusive, which means your stay at the hotel includes food, drinks, and access to all the parks and tours that Xcaret has to offer. This is just one video in a series of videos from my stay at Hotel Xcaret. I'll link to a playlist I created in the top right corner containing all the videos. The link will also be in the description, comments, and at the end of the video. Welcome home, family. That is the greeting we received when we arrived at Hotel Xcaret. I specifically stayed at Casa Agua, which is adults only. When we arrived at the hotel, there were a number of guests checking in, so we got something to eat first at the cantina. After getting some food, we returned to the front desk, and someone from the hotel got a cart, loaded our luggage, took us up to our room, and showed us around our home for the next few days. Our room was at the end of the hallway on the 5th floor. To access the room, you need to use your wristband. The wristband will allow you to access the parks and take pictures if you get the picture package during your stay. If you're getting value out of this video so far, make sure you hit the like button and consider hitting the subscribe button. This content is not a paid sponsorship by Xcaret. This is my honest review, and when you interact with this video by liking and subscribing, it helps this video reach more people on YouTube. For the tour, let's start in the closet. In the closet was our welcome gift, a beach tote that could be used during our stay and kept afterward. Also in the closet, you have the standards that come with most hotels, which are digital safe, steam iron, and ironing board. There were also bathrobes and slippers, a scale, and an umbrella that we definitely had to use during our stay because it rained a couple of times. Alright, let's move away from the closet to the terrace. The terrace comes with traditional Mexican hammocks. I laid in it, and it really is relaxing, and I felt fully supported while lying in it. The distinct difference about the tube on the terrace at Casa Agua is its volcanic rock tub. I believe no matter what room you get at Casa Agua, it comes with the tub and the hammock. Our view wasn't facing the river. It was facing the Mayan Jungle, but the cool thing about our view and being on the 5th floor is that we got to see the spider monkeys. Yes, monkeys were swinging around in the trees up there. The monkeys are safe and kept their distance. After dinner one night, I laid in a hammock, and just a couple of trees over, I saw a monkey curled up lying in the tree. In the mornings they were usually gone, but at the nighttime they were swinging around. Going inside the room, there was one king-size bed and a sofa that could be converted to a bed. In addition to the tub on the balcony, our room also had an in-room jacuzzi. Hanging on the wall was a nice piece of artwork that appeared to be made of some type of cloth. There was a premium coffee machine, but the best part is the stocked mini bar and snacks. The mini bar had water, orange juice, and beer. The snacks included chips, different candies, and peanuts. Housekeeping, when they came in to do their cleaning, would often restock everything. Our guest stay included a few more amenities. These services were given at no extra cost and had premium organic amenities like shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and soaps. There were also specialty candies. Each night there was a different candy awaiting us when we returned, along with a card explaining the candy. My favorite was the pumpkin flavored candy. 24-hour room service is included with your stay. So if you get hungry, you can call and get something to eat, even late at night. We ended up getting breakfast one morning. Worth noting, there are 9 different restaurants at the hotel, so you have plenty of options for food. In the playlist I created, I talk about all the restaurants we visited. One of the favorite parts of my stay was the sauna. I didn't know that our shower could be turned into a sauna when I booked the room, but luckily, when we were given a tour of our room, our tour guide explained it. I tried it out and it was terrific. The only thing worth noting was that the water would get too hot or too cold with our shower, even though we hadn't used a sauna that day. It would take time to cool down or to heat back up. We told that to the front desk and it got better, but it was still off sometimes depending on when we were taking a shower. On our floor there was a gym, and it's a really nice gym that is not scaled down. It has all the cardio equipment, free weights, and machines that you need to stay in shape while on vacation.
Son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres, sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres.
One of the other cool things about our room was on the television. Since we got the picture package, our pictures from our stay would often flash on the television screen. So we got to see our pictures in and around from the parks. The hotel staff was very courteous. Anytime we needed directions or needed help, they were always right there, able to help us. Overall, I would say I enjoyed our stay. The room is nice, well kept, well cleaned. Water, the snacks, the mini bar, the room service, bed, which was nice and soft. All of it made for a really great experience. I enjoyed staying in Casa Agua. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value out of this video, make sure you hit the like button. Definitely make sure you check out my Hotel Xcaret playlist where I talk about the other experiences that I had while staying at this great hotel. My name is Ish, and I challenge you to go out there and have a new experience today. Thanks for watching.
Él me encanta, yo lo quiero, pues dímelo a mí, que no hago daño. Baby, cuando te vi con tu falda, no exagero, me quería morir. Yo sé que estoy loco por ti.